In this video, I'll show you how you can download Steam games faster. Now the first thing you want to do is open up Steam here, go to settings, and from in here go to downloads. Now make sure your download region is the one closest to where you live. I live in Denmark, so I chose Denmark. After that, you want to make sure limit download speed is off. If your download speed is getting stuck for some reason, you can try turning this on and type a high number, like 10,000, and then see if it works again, and then you can just disable it after. After that, I suggest you allow downloads during gameplay if you want, but if you have negative effects on your gameplay, let's say you start lagging, just turn this off. After that, if it still doesn't get faster, I suggest you clear your download cache. So click here to clear the cache. After that, you should go into library, storage I mean. Click here and repair your library. Now once you've done all of these, it should hopefully be faster. If it still doesn't, what you can do is come down here and search for device manager. Find your network, so network adapters. Find your network right here, right click, update driver, and after you update it, you can right click disable and then right click enable. Now once you've done that, come down here for your internet, right click on it, open network and internet settings, change adapter options, right click disable and right click enable. Now any of these should help make your Steam download faster. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.